Hey guys, welcome to Textures Tutorial. In today's video, we'll learn about how to exchange stickers on Monopoly Go. It is a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's dive right in. So for you to be able to get started onto trading off your stickers with your friends in Monopoly Go, you'll just need to log in onto the app for that. So once you're already onto the app, you should be able to see here onto the bottom part your albums wherein it gonna head and stored all of your stickers. So please to know that you won't be able to trade any stickers in Monopoly Go unless you have your own duplicate in the album collection. So this is because they're reserved for your collection, and it is also worth mentioning that you will only be able to send stickers to your friends in Monopoly Go. So with those things in mind, you'll just need to head here onto the album, and then right after, if the sticker have a multiple copy, it should be marked with +1 or +2 depending on how many they are. Select the stickers, and there should be a send button below for that one. And then right after, you'll just need to select a friend from your friends list, and after that they will receive the sticker from you. And that's just basically it on to exchanging stickers on Monopoly Go. And if you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.